Withdrawing money from your Lyft account after a review can be a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you complete the withdrawal successfully. Step 1. Log into your Lyft account. Open the Lyft app or website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account that has been reviewed. Step 2. Navigate to payment options. Once logged in, go to the menu and select the payment or wallet section. This is where you can manage your earnings and withdrawal options. Step 3. Check your earnings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Select withdrawal method. Choose your preferred withdrawal method. Lyft typically offers options such as direct bank transfer or PayPal. Select the method that works best for you. Step 5. Confirm withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw and confirm the transaction. Follow any additional prompts to complete the process. You should receive a confirmation once the withdrawal is successful. Once you have completed these steps, your funds should be on their way to your chosen account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Lyft support for assistance.